Now, as winters approach, Delhi's air quality has plunged into a dangerous level. Commission for Air Quality, under this fresh guidelines, even the transportation of demolition waste will not be allowed in the national capital, and all sorts of mining activities have also been suspended. And the ban on construction work, however, does of all that, that includes a strict and a blanket ban on construction and demolition.
सर एंट्री जो BS4 गाड़ियाँ हैं तो ये गाड़ी जो यूरिया तो खिलाते हैं यूरिया।
सर जो 10 साल पुरानी गाड़ी है वो बंद कर दी जाए और जो ये नई गाड़ी है इसको बंद नहीं किया जाए। सरकार से यही अपील है हमारी।
अब दिक्कत तो है ही जब एंट्री नहीं होगी।
Diesel generator sets will be restricted to emergency use only, and in the wake of the worsening air quality, Delhi government has also suspended physical classes for primary school children, which will now
the severe category. Now it means since it has been consistently in hazardous category for 2 days, it means that now the stage 3 of the graded response action plan GRAP will be imposed. Now,
suggestions for the citizens of the national capital that have been recommended by CAQM. The first recommendation is walk or use cycle for small distance. This is a first recommendation that reference to work from home if possible, and a recommendation has also been given to the companies to allow work from home to employees. The fifth recommendation is avoid open burning.
Well, yes, this important decision has now been taken as the GRAP 3 is going to be implemented in the national capital from 8 a.m. onwards, and I would first like to show you the visuals here as we are currently, which is very much concerning because the people are not being able to breathe freely in this air. They are feeling irritation in the eyes. They are having cough due to this toxic. Also released its notification yesterday that the physical classes till class 5th will now been shut down. The schools have been shut down. The physical classes is not going to take. यहाँ जिस तरीके का pollution हो रहा है, कोई दिक्कत आपको लग रही है? किसी और से पूछ लो। आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं लग रही है? नहीं कोई दिक्कत नहीं लग रही। Okay, so we would also like to not being ready to speak on the camera, but many of them have also can be seen wearing masks here as this is basically the location where there is a railway station, and the severe category, they are not being able to breathe freely, and that's the only reason why we have seen that the politics is also continuing over this entire matter, right? Because both the central government and the Delhi, that how the BJP is saying that the Aam Aadmi Party government has completely failed to fulfill its promises which they had made during the election time, that there will be a curb upon the air pollution. People
are breathing this noxious air. Niyamika, stay on with us. Now, the war words also continue over this. Bharatiya Janata Party has launched a scathing attack on the Aam Aadmi Party government for failing to curb pollution.
GRAP 3 ठीक है, उस व्यवस्था को तो खड़ा करता है, लेकिन दिल्ली में किसी भी चीज़ का प्रतिबंध लगाने की स्थिति क्यों आती है, उसका मूल कारण अरविंद केजरीवाल की सरकार के 10 साल हैं, जिन्होंने कभी
GRAP 3 लागू हो जाएगा। आतिशी मार्लिना सरकार इस स्थिति को नहीं संभाल पा रही है। दिल्ली में अचानक लाखों लोग जो कंस्ट्रक्शन।
Let me now bring in my colleague Teshri, who joins us from DND flyover. Teshri, last year also we reported how the construction and demolition activities continued in Delhi NCR despite GRAP 3 and GRAP 4. In
month of December, in fact, which we are, the air quality level will keep on worsening. Currently, I'm reporting from DND, and in fact, in the visuals also, you can see that the visibility is quite low. And in fact, if we talk about to the,